In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo or coupon code for Home Depot. If you like this video, please sub to the channel and like this video. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, I'm going to open up my web browser on my mobile device, head on over to Google, and now I'm going to type in Home Depot. And now, as you can see, I have typed in Home Depot, but I haven't typed in promo code, so I'm going to add that to the end. And now, as you can see, there's a list of different third-party retailers offering discount or promo codes. So we got Groupon here, we've got Real Me Not, we've got actually Home Depot, Coupon Follow, Tom's Guide, Coupon. So you can use any one of these big third-party websites that is offering these promo codes. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use Coupon Follow because I find this website is probably one of the most trusted one for discounts. So I'm going to click into this. And now to activate any one of these coupons, I'm just going to simply click into it. So you can see the active ones here. And if they grayed out, it says previously featured offers and deals. You can see the grayed out ones, but obviously they do not work. So to claim 10% off with promo code, I'm going to click into that. And now I'm going to copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Home Depot. And then that's going to give me 10% off that order. So look at the checkout section and find where you need to put in your promo or discount code and then add that code in, and then it'll activate your 10% off.